Hello again. A couple more thoughts now that I see that this is a direct variation problem.
Tell me what he's saying.
I'm trying to help someone with their homework, Molly.
Why?
Why not? Okay, so it's a direct variation problem. So your equation is probably something of the form y equals r x. I'm wondering if that looks familiar to you or not. So in other words, your r for this problem, if you look at the point they give you, 5, 3, so it's 3 equals r times 5. So r, which is the same as your slope, would be 3 over 5. Does that make sense? Let's see, well, if we plug in 10, so now our equation becomes y equals 3/5 x. So if we plug in 10, well, 3/5 times 10 is 6, which is what you have on your graph right there. So that does make sense. So when they say 1r, they're talking about the point 1 3/5, which would be on your graph if you could continue it all the way to 0, 0. But that doesn't make sense. Y is number of free throws made. You can't make 3/5 of a free throw. So what does that represent? Well, it represents that if he makes one attempt, his probability of making that attempt is 3/5. 3/5 of the time he'll make the attempt. But in reality, it doesn't exactly make sense once he shoots it. He's got to either miss it or make it. So 1r, in my opinion, represents that his probability of making the shot is 3/5 with one attempt. Thanks. Molly, say bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.